All right. All right. Hey, must be the money. Water, water, shake it. Hey, must be the money. Water, water, shake it. Must be the money. Water, water, shake it. Must be the money.
That's right, guys. Pacific Love in the house.
That's right, guys. Let's have a big round of applause for the Stop that. Stop it now. All right.
Let's go.
That wasn't bad. That wasn't bad.
Thank you very much.
All right, guys. Big round of applause for Pacific Love. Let's go.
Bring it up. Bring it up. That's right. That's right.
They are the 2001 Battle of the Bands champions. Happen to tell me Cena. Guys did an awesome job. And we've got another singer coming up later on as well, who did pretty well this year in Star Search.
That's true. We got a lot of entertainers out tonight.
That's right. We've got Mareko who's going to be coming in later on, which is pretty cool. And we've got a lot of stuff. What else we got going on here, my friend? We've got the Nutso Brothers. We've got the Uso United Uso Dance Group. We have some more music from Pacific Love later, and we also have the Omanga Dance Group. So there's going to be lots of different things going up on the main stage. Hope you guys are enjoying yourselves, and of course, it wouldn't be the Teuila Festival without some giveaways.
That's right, guys. We've got so many sponsors out tonight. Our first giveaway. All the kids out there, for your chance to win yourself 50 Tala shopping vouchers from my friends over there at Frankie. You have to run up to the stage in Tali of Vili. That's right. Our fight if you're Manmalo says shopping voucher Limas Tala. You need to be on the stage at Tali of Vili. To all the kids, you know, anyone underneath the age of 30. Yeah, that's children to me.
This one's for the young and the young at heart and the young in body. You know, you can make it work. Just come on up. We've got some great prizes. If you want a shopping voucher, parents, if you have some children and you want them to win a 50 Tala shopping voucher for you this evening, get them up on stage now. We're going to be doing some pretty easy questions, and you guys get to walk away with some pretty great prizes. We also, I just want to point out as well, we've got the fantastic team from Swama down here. Kids, if you recycle 10 pieces of recycling, there we go. You get to win some fantastic prizes from our recycling friends as well. Remember, we want to keep this Teuila Festival, we want to keep this event as clean and green as possible. So remember, reuse, reduce, and recycle. And we're going to be having some more giveaways. But if you guys want to come up now, parents, we're going to be giving away 50 Tala shopping vouchers.
We got a few kids coming up right now.
From our good friends, Frankie's.
We got another one. We got some.
Do we have any kids? Do we have any kids up here? Any parents who want $50 for a shopping voucher from Frankie's? Come on up.
Oh, wow. It's like I know this guy. Wow.
This is the one kid whose parents are saying, get up on stage, get us that prize. What's your name again, Zeus?
Jaden.
Jaden, is there anything you'd like to say to all your fans out tonight and your girlfriend that your parents don't know?
I would just like to say thank you for wishing me luck.
Oh, let's go. God was ready for it.
What a professional. What a professional. I like it.
Right now I'm going to give it to Huey. Thanks.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
He was going to give you the question. You're going to answer it for your chance to win 50 Tala credit.
All right, Jed. This one's really simple. How many injections do you need for the COVID vaccine? It's not 1, and it's not 3.